Imagine a future where your business thrives, where your dreams of entrepreneurship become reality. At TD Universal, also known as Tailored Support Staff, we specialize in turning aspirations into achievements. Are you an aspiring entrepreneur or a small business owner looking to elevate your venture? Our expert team is here to guide you through the intricate process of business structuring and funding. Picture this: a streamlined business model, tailored funding solutions, and a clear path to growth. We understand the challenges you face, and we're committed to bridging the gap between where you are and where you want to be. With our services, you're not just building a business, you're building a future. Our professional and motivational approach ensures that you have the tools and support needed to succeed. Feel the excitement of knowing that your business is structured for success with funding that propels you forward. This is your opportunity to take your business and your life to the next level. Don't wait for success to find you. Take action today. Partner with us. Visit us on Instagram at Tailored Support Staff and step confidently into a future filled with possibilities. Visit our website uw.tdscms.com and contact us now to start your journey towards business excellence. Your future is waiting. Let's build it together. Let's build wealth.